Everything you need to know about syllable division that you didn't know that you needed to know. Dividing a word into syllables correctly is critical because of where it puts the vowel within that syllable. So here's what your syllables will look like. You will have either a vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, and on. Now, syllable division is going to be a little easier than you might expect. And I'm going to teach you a little song or a little chant at the end of this video to help you remember it even easier and to teach it to your kids. If you have one consonant between the vowels, you're going to put that consonant to the end. I'll have some examples also at the end of this video. If you have a vowel, consonant, vowel, you're going to divide it in the middle. If you have a vowel, consonant, vowel, you're going to put that first consonant to the front and the rest to the back. If you have a vowel, consonant, vowel, you're going to put that first vowel to the front, the rest to the back. So if you can see, there's a pattern here. If there's only one consonant between the vowels, it goes to the end. If you have two or more consonants between the vowels, that first consonant is always going to go to the front and the rest will go to the back. These top three are going to be much more common. These are going to be patterns that you'll see in most multi-syllable words. When they get longer like this rule could still apply, but there are also other things that you need to take into consideration, such as if it's a compound word or if there are suffixes and prefixes associated with it. But these three patterns will be those that you will see in most multi-syllable words. And here are some examples. Here's an example of a word with a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. So you're going to put that one consonant to the end. Here you see a vowel, consonant, vowel. So you're going to divide between those two consonants. And here you see a vowel, consonant, vowel. So you'll put one to the front and the rest to the back. Now here's that song or little chant that I promised you. So we have them actually touch the vowels so that it's a multi-sensory experience. That way they can count how many consonants are between each vowel and split it properly. So for instance, if there was one consonant between the vowels, you would say, you put your first two fingers on the first two vowels. One left over goes to the end. Then if it were a longer multi-syllable word, you would go to the next two vowels. But here's how the song goes for two in the middle. You put your next two fingers on the next two vowels. Two left over, split them. Then you progress through the word, and if there were three consonants between the vowels, it would sound like this. You put your next two fingers on the next two vowels. Three left over, one, two, split. So if you had a word like electricity, here's how that little song would go. You put your first two fingers on the first two vowels. One left over goes to the end. Next two fingers on the next two vowels. Three left over, one, two, split. Next two fingers on the next two vowels. One left over goes to the end. Next two fingers on the next two vowels. One left over goes to the end. And then your word would be divided properly. So I hope that helps to understand syllable division a little better. One consonant between the vowels goes to the end. Anything longer than that, one goes to the front, the rest go to the end. And if you are going to try to remember this little chant either for yourself or for your child, let me know in the comments. I hope that helps.